Alright, so here it is. Getting rid of this. And we're going to be putting on... Should have made a pathway. That. Because they're $200 and someone said I couldn't do it. So we're going to do it. So we're going from that to that. Basically, you cut off the outer, you cut it off the pipe, cut the sheathing off, and then you just put on the cherry bomb. We're going to make a bracket in the back, and there's your, you know, instead of $200 times 2, under $100. See? You cut off this right here, right there. Cut this down the center here like that. Fillet this open. Grind this. There's only one weld right back here. Once you do that, you just pull that open, and that piece here is underneath that. And then this right here is just a 1 3/4 inch by 18 length cherry bomb. Put it on, and yeah, we'll start it up here in just a minute. Let you guys hear it. See, got it here. He's grinding off that. And see, it looks like this. Inner, this is what we're using, and we're cutting this piece off right here. He's going to cut it down here and fillet it open, and then we cut the cherry bomb down like that. And then it's going to slide right in. And there it is. Just like that. So, obviously we know it's not straight just yet. We're putting the brackets on. But that's what it looks like. We're going to cut it at an angle like so. But yeah, there it is. And on both sides, boom. And it doesn't sound bad. Right now, cutting the brackets off of this one, put on here.
Things are stainless underneath. Probably take the paint off and have them like chrome looking.
So there it is. That's what they're going to look like before paint. So just cut the bracket off, put it on. There it is, there's one. Here's the other one. And we're just going to put them on. Nice. You can actually see through it. See, look. So obviously it's shiny because I just got done painting it. But there they are. It's a little glossy, but they're going to be, it's going to be like a flat black VHT. You know, flat black. And we'll bolt them up here in a minute and do that 20 or 10 hot, 10 idle, and 10 hot, and 10 let it cool, and there it is. So for all you naysayers, look at that. See, it's going to be like that, right there. Huh? That's right, bitches. EX500! So here's the finished product. See? Cherry bomb, one side. Cherry bomb, other side. There it is. Sounds decent. There it is. A little bit of rag. It's a lot better than these things. Here's the difference. Big difference. Yeah. Look at that. Which one would you rather have? So there it is. The naysayers say it can't be done. There it is. Done. And it looks halfway decent too.